All right, let's go for how to draw cute Godzilla versus cute King Kong, and they're going to be facing off against each other, all right? Really simple, easy for beginners. Follow along with me, or what you can do is watch, and you'll still kind of like learn, just kind of osmosis, kind of watching it, and that's it, okay? Let's jump right in. I'm going to go over here, I'm going to curve for the top of Godzilla's head. Line out. Down a little bit more right here, and I'm gonna pull back. All right, down over here. I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna find the claw. It's gonna curve, line out, in, claw, 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 right? Just simple triangular shapes. Gonna go back over here and I'm gonna kind of pull back. Curve line here for kind of the eye. Zigzag over here for the mouth, nose, curve, curve over here, down, curve underneath, and down over here for the foot. All right, let's go over here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna keep pulling down for the rest of the stomach. Go over here, kind of come underneath, up, in, curve, 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 down over here, in, curve over here for the nail right there. All right, let's go to the spikes now. All right, we're gonna draw spikes like this. We'll go off, down, just like these smooth rectangle shapes. Sorry, triangle shapes. But try to make them kind of like smooth round, you know? I'm gonna go down here, down here, down here. All right. Go over here to the stomach, curve, curve, line, 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 line over here, line, line. Go over here underneath, curve, 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 curve. And there you go. You got the Godzilla part. Let's go over here to the King Kong part, okay? All right. He's gonna be looking that way. I'm gonna go over here and curve for the brow that he has. Down. Circle right here. Out for kind of the nose area. Down. In. Mouth. Back. Curve underneath. In for kind of the back of the brow area. Circle right there for the nostril. You're gonna see he's got like a pretty big nostril. Zigzag for some sharp teeth. Curve. this is gonna be like his brow. So right there. Okay, cool. Curve in, curve down. Over here. Down, back of the head. Circle right there for the ear. Curve, curve. Gonna go right here. Curve. Over here. He's got much bigger arms, right? Curve over here. Stay with me, by the way. We're almost done. Let's draw his hand over here. So his fist. It's like his knuckles. Curve line there for the thumb. Zigzag. Curve in. Line over here. Line over here. Curve. Curve. Line. Down for the foot area. Pull back. Up. Back over here for the rear end, okay? Down over here. Pull in. Curve up. Curve. Curve. And let's go over here to the leg right here, and I'm going to draw a zigzag over here. Curve over here on this side. Curve on that side. Line. Line over here. One more curve. Curve. Line. There you go. You have Godzilla versus King Kong, and they are gonna fight, you know, a lot. Thanks so much. If you enjoyed this, hit the share button. When you share, sharing is caring, and I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. You are amazing. I will talk to you in the next video, and I want you guys to reach out to me. We are getting very close to 200,000 subscribers. Absolutely reach out, share, and thank you so much. I'll talk to you next time. All right, and if you want to keep learning how to draw and keep pushing your skills, go right here to this video on here on this side. That video I put because it's the exact same theme as the video you just saw, and I like it as a bit of a pair. So absolutely go check that out right now. Another short video.